They've come a long way. Wait, who said that they watched the vlog with Miss Karen? It's not even out yet. Are you guys okay? What's going on? Wait. Saan nyo yun nahanap? Wait, who said that? Baka na-spoil ko pa na may vlog si Miss Karen kasama ko. Teka. Wait, where is... Wala pa talaga, guys. Wala pa talaga yung vlog with Miss Karen. Sino nagsabi nun? Who said that? May project po na soap ngayong 2025. Not yet. I am manifesting it. Please. I miss acting. If not soap, I really want to do a film. I miss acting so bad. I love dancing, don't get me wrong, but I can always dance while I'm acting. Thank you, Chanel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Miguel D, is that you? Miguel. It just says Miguel. Is this Miguel D? Ate Jella, may season 3 po ba ang senior high? No. Not yet. Not yet. None. I'm praying. I hope. I really hope. I hope meron. Kay Ate B pala. Ayun na nga, na-spoil ko na nga na may vlog kami kay Miss Karen. Ang galing. Akala ko talaga lumabas na. Vlog pala ni Ate B. Ano ba yan, guys? Sheesh. Akala ko lumabas na yun kay Miss Karen. Oh well. Kamukha mo si GeForce Jaja. Talaga? Na-upload po kanina, na-delete po ni Karen Davila. Ah, real ba? Real ba? Hi, Mans. I just went live kasi ang tagal ko nang di nagla-live sa TikTok. And I've been inactive. It's so hard. It's so hard to stay active, guys. I'm dying. I'm drowning in thesis and schoolwork and work. I have no life. Please. Wow, may paru si Amanda. Happy Valentine's. Wait, totoo ba? Na-upload ni Miss Karen? Namamansin ba ang Jala Atayde? Hindi po eh. Hindi. I just call my dog. Kali. Happy first birthday, Natalia Zoe. Ang cute naman ng name. Natalia Zoe. That's so cute. Hi, Tita Roski. I miss you. I miss your chicken wrap. Workout tips. I haven't worked out in a while. Though I'm into Pilates now kasi I found out I have PCOS. So like, PCOS is better if you have... PCOS is better. Pilates is a better workout if you have PCOS. So yeah. Siguro with working out, I guess one thing people don't usually say is rest is also important. Like, you really need to recover kasi useless yung Oy, Diyos ko Lord. Bakit may hat at may mustache? What's that? Is that a gift? Thank you. Is that a gift? What was I talking about? Oh, it's a gift. Thank you. Pag pinansin mo ako, mag-aaral na ako. What is up, Sarah? I think you should study and Huwag mo akong tularan. Yung bunso niyo pong brother, does he want to... Okay, my little brother, parang ayaw naman niya mag-showbiz. Actually, I'm not sure. Pero, for now, ayaw niya. But I know that he's into music. So, if not showbiz, I think he wants to be a singer or, yeah. Oh, thank you. Is that from you, Louie Basco? Salamat po sa gift. Diba ikaw yung magaling sumayaw? Ako po ba yun? Ako po ba yun? Do you take pills now for PCOS? Because I'm scared to take. No. I don't take pills for PCOS. Kasi, I'm trying to treat it muna. What's that called? Like, what's the word? Organically. Before I take meds. Lagi kita nakikita sa ASAP. Thank you for watching! Hindi ako titigil. Magpapapansin kapag hindi ako nito, pinansin. Hello, AG Adonis. Pinansin na kita. How's your day? Stay hydrated. I'm staying hydrated. What is up? Hi, Lara Jenica. Hello. Ang galing-galing mo sumayaw. Salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm shy. May pics tayo together. Really? From where? San tayo nagkita? Hi, Brie. I'm gonna get ready in a bit. Wait lang. I have a dinner with my best friends, guys. And they can see that I haven't changed. Oh, hi, Jazz! Malay ko bang andito ka? Hindi ko kaya nakita. Can you greet my friend? Her name is Danica and Jen. Hi, Danica and Jen. Tama ba yung Jen? What's up? Shout out to Justin Karaeg. Sino ba yan? Kamusta kayo ni Fiang? Matagal ko na siya hindi nakikita. Sa ASAP lang kami nagkikita ni Fiang. Happy birthday, Sarah! Anong lasa ng Evian? Okay, so, alam kong mamahalin na tubig yung Evian. And like, honestly, people really give me crap for drinking this kasi parang sinasabi na, mahal yan, why do you need to drink that type of water? Okay, first of all, am I using your money? Just kidding. Anyway, I drink Evian really kasi I have GERD, gastroenteritis, acid reflux. So, like, my stomach also is very sensitive to water. Kaya, because like water also has pH levels, so that's acidity levels sa water. And yun, it really affects my stomach. Kaya, I have to drink Evian because this has a really low pH level and it calms my stomach. So yes, alam kong mahal siya and honestly, masakit siya sa bulsa at sa wallet. Pero wala eh. It's either I spend on this and like care about my health, take care of myself, or get acidity all the time, diba? Which is hard. I'm telling you, I hate acidity. It's so bad. Like, Bakit biglang... Did I say something? It says live restricted for some audiences. What did I say? Oh, is it because I'm talking about GERD? Anyway, yeah. So, what was I talking about? My GERD. Ang hirap magka-acidity, guys. Kasi sobrang, parang, ang dami mong hindi pwede gawin. Tubig po to. Why does it say consuming substances featured in this life could harm your health? This is water. Sobrang sakit pag na-aatake yung akin. 'Di ba? Masakit yung GERD. Sobrang sakit ng GERD. Bawal ba uminom sa live? Like, ng tubig? Gagawa na ako ng lesson plan kapag pinansin mo ko. Bakit kailangan kita... Gawin mo na, love! Love? Yee. Is that really your name? Oh my gosh. The brand? Oh, shucks. Okay, I'm gonna hide my water. May nagsabi kasi stay hydrated, so... Will you watch SB19's upcoming concert this May? Yung sa Philippine Arena, I really would love to. Like, I really would love to, but it's such a hassle. Like, when going in and out of the Philippine Arena is really such a struggle. So, as much as possible, siguro hindi. But I really wanna watch SB. Like, if there's only a way for me to get in quick and get out quick. Grabe kasi yung traffic. Bias ko sa SB19. I have so much love and respect for all of them. Pero, Ken Susan, of course, kasi siya yung dancer. He do be a dancer. Sobrang galing niya sumayaw. His swag is something else. Diba? Grabe yung swag ni Ken. Also, Ken San Jose, though. That's another bias. Pero, ayun, guys. Share ko lang. Do you know, I have to, like, meron akong Coach Reden, hindi talaga ako magsasample dito. Di na nga ako sumasayaw eh. I miss you, Coach Reden. Congrats on the Beanieverse. Sobrang successful, nakakatuwa. Sample. Anong gagawin ko? You guys want me to sing? I don't think you guys want me to sing. Idol kita since... Thank you so much. Thank you for watching Senior High. Go sing. Ay, hindi talaga, guys. I think masisira yung career ko. Kung kumanta ako dito, sisirain ko career ko, promise. Di na babalik si Sky. Paano yung babalik? Diba patay na siya? My piercings! There, I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in this ear. And then, 2 lang dito. Ken or Philip? What do you mean? Isn't Ken Philip? Galing mo rin mag-acting. I love you from High Street, Bagman. Hindi pa nga nare-release yung Bagman eh. I can't wait for you guys to see that. But then, I'm honestly so scared for it kasi hindi ako masyadong masaya about my performance there. But, it's such a good project. So, I also can't wait for it at the same time. Pero grabe, kinakabahan ako for that talaga. Good luck sa mga school activities. Thank you, Louie Basco. Thank you so much. Hirap na hirap ako sa school ngayon, honestly. You've come so far. Thank you. I know. Thank you so much. It's insane. Pero malalang imposter syndrome ang nangyayari sa akin most of the time. Kasi nga, it's like, it was all... Like, everything happened so quickly na sometimes I question if, like, I deserve it. But then I just have to remind myself that I worked my way in and I worked my way up naman. So, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you know Cloud 7? What is Cloud 7? Thank you, Chanel. Thank you so much. As in, like, there's so many things there's so many things I want to do, and there's so many things I want to explore, especially in the world of acting. Kaya, yun, I really pray for more work and more projects. Because guys, you don't even know, like, ang dami kong gustong gawin. Ken Suson or Philip John Suson? Iba ba sila? Sorry, I'm so confused. Napanood ko yung guesting niyo sa Kwan on One. Ang haba-haba nun. Natapos mo yun? Hello po, Te Bisaya. What is up? Tommy or Zijan? Nako! Wag niya tong ngayon sa screen record. Pinapili niyo ako sa dalawang yon. Pag may piliin akong isa, lagot ako. Hindi ko pwede sagutin yan. Iha-hunting ako niyan. If Tommy or Zijan, mahal ko yung dalawa. I love them both so much. You cannot make me choose. I don't have an idea. Are you related po to Ate Rhea? She is my sister. Miss ko na role mo sa High Street. Sobrang miss ko na si Sanya. As in. Pag ikaw nakita ko sa personal, Te Bisaya, tatawag ko sa'yo. Yes, please. Why not? Pero, hindi ko yun mapapanindigan kasi hindi naman ako magaling magbisaya. Yun ang problema. Marunong lang. Kakaintindi lang. Pero, hindi ako fluent. Who's your closest celebrity friend po? Closest celebrity friend? Zijan. Tommy, Miggy. Those boys. Cyril, Daniela. My core. Honestly. I have a lot of close friends naman sa showbiz. Pero, yung like, my core would be Zijan, Tommy, Miggy, Cyril, Daniela. Sila talaga. Like, yung tipong alam kong matatakbuhan ko. And alam nilang matatakbuhan nila ako. We're super close. Childhood BFF po kayo ni Blythe. Yes, actually, Blythe and I grew up together. Kaso yun nga lang, parang of course, we also somehow drifted through the years kasi like our lives also changed. But then, we still get to talk when we see each other. And, yun, we still message naman. What are your tips para lumakas sa dance and maging mas clean ang movements and lines? Honestly, I can't stress this enough. Training. Like, really, iba rin kasi yung training ng competitive dancing tsaka if you just take classes, it's different because although taking classes is amazing, like it's also like that's how you grow talaga, but when you train with a team or with a coach, parang dun ka talaga malilinis, dun ka matututo ng dun ka mas matututo talaga. Dun ka lalakas kasi you also have conditioning. So, yun. Can you train po ba on your own? You can. Not siguro alone at home, but taking classes alone, yes, you can. Of course. Te Bisaya, manunood ka ng SB19. Yun nga po parang, thank you for the gift, AJ Villar. Thank you so much. Parang, gusto ko manood. Sobrang gusto ko manood ng SB19. Kaso, yung Philippine Arena, guys, hindi ko kaya. Parang, yung traffic papasok at palabas. Ano ba? Diyos ko, Lord. Napapanood ko po kayo sa TV. Kuya Kenneth, napapanood rin kita sa TV. Hi, Kuya Kenneth. What is up? Hi from Cebu. Hello. Unsay color sa imong hair gel? Okay, explain ko to. Yung buhok ko actually, there's no specific color. It wasn't like chosen from a box or anything. This was, my hair was, ano yun? Ano tawag doon? Bleached. It was bleached and then toned. So basically, hindi siya kinulayan na kulay-kulay talaga. Nilabas yung melanin ng buhok ko. Gets ba? That's why it kinda still looks natural on me, and it's really, that's how like you're able to get the right color. Kasi it matches your skin talaga. Legit yung heavy traffic sa Philippine Arena, dun ka talaga mapapagod. Kaya nga parang, I love the boys, I love SB19 so much, but then, do I really wanna brave the Philippine Arena traffic? Kung ilang oras ako. Guys, andito po si Zijan. May apple na nanonood. Kamukha mo po yung tatlong babae sa likod. Kamukha mo yung aso ko. Picture ako dyan soon. Sure. Where do you wanna see each other? Where do you wanna see each other? Saan po tayo magkikita? Let me know. Hit me up. Sino po bias niyo to Bisaya? Sa SB? SB19. If SB19, Ken Suson. Philip. Yeah. Philip. Kasi dancer siya, sobrang angas niya. And like, he actually is bubbly. Mukha lang siyang quiet and like mysterious. Pero, nakakatawa siya. I watched his one-on-one with Ate Belay. He's actually makulit. Magaling mga dancers sa Time to Dance, pero mukhang si Jella ang mananalo. Kasali ba ako sa kanila? Hindi talaga ako kasali dun. Mukha nga ako mananalo dun. Sige, ako na lang. Andito kanina nanonood si Kuya Kenneth. Lagot kayo kay Kuya Kenneth. Ate Jella Paturo sumayaw. Is that... Oh! Kuya Vince! Hello! How are you? Paturo sumayaw. Marunong ka daw nga sumayaw? Sus! Ano daw? Kamukha mo si Kyle Echari sa angle na yan. Saan? Mas kamukha ko si Juan Carlos Labao, hindi si Kyle Echari. Ang dami nagsasabi kamukha ko si Kyle. Jala kaon na. Mamaya may dinner ako. Paturo din po sumayaw ate. Andito rin si Ice. O diba? Sino nagsabi ako yung mananalo sa Time to Dance? Lagot kayo sa kanilang lahat. Hindi ako yung mananalo dun. Hindi ako kasali dun. Kumukha man si Kyle pag nakasmile ka. Hindi na ako magsasmile. Top 3 favorite songs. Oh my gosh. Wait. Hi, Jella. Still watching High Street today and still loving Sonya there. Oh, thank you. I really miss acting. I can't. Panindigan mo, te. Ang alin? Ano yung panindigan ko? 3 favorite songs. That's so hard. Ang hirap ng role mo sa Time to Dance yung di ka judge pero wala kang takas sa decision making. Right? Right? And parang hirap rin ako kasi it's my first time to judge. So it's also to judge, to host. So challenge rin talaga yun sa akin. It took me a while to learn pero now mas nasasanay na ako and I'm really thankful to Kuya Robbie. Nood kami finals. Sige ba, tara. Message niyo lang ako. Would you date someone from a lower tax bracket? What do you mean lower tax bracket? Sorry. Ang galing ng acting mo with Tommy nung nasira ang kasal niyo. Oh my gosh, ayoko po talaga yun. Ayoko yung eksena na yun, honestly. I didn't like that scene, but thank you so much. I'm getting more flashbacks. When po finale, Tabisaya? I think end of March. Is this Paulo? O diba, nanonood yung mga Time to Dance. Sino kanina? Guys, may nagsabi dito na ako daw yung mananalo sa Time to Dance. Nako, nanonood dito yung DCs. Patay kayo. Pero sige, para fair. Para fair. Fair ba yun? Paano mo bayad? Saan? Anong bayad? Late bloomer ako with High Street. Sorry na. Ganda ng storya talaga. Hope it gets more ratings. I hope we get a season 3. Sobrang miss ko na umarte. Puro inarte na lang ginagawa ko dito. Diyos ko Lord. Describe your first time working with Sheena B. Sheena Bellarmino? I love her so much. I'm actually a fan. Sobrang galing niya. Promise. Magaling kasi lahat ng DCs kaya ikaw na lang panalo. So, ano yun? Ako na lang, ano sinasabi mo? Hindi ako magaling? Hindi, honestly guys, sobrang hirap. Every time may natatanggal. Like, sinasabi ko every time, di na ako iiyak kasi iyak na ako ng iyak, napapagod na ako umiyak sa Time to Dance, honestly. Pero, number 1, iyakan ako sobra. Number 2, may attachment issues ako. Sobra akong ma-attach sa mga tao, especially when I know them, like, deeply na, and their stories. So, it's like, it's really hard. It's really hard. Like, imagine mo, to me kasi, it's like, if I were in that situation, I cannot imagine a teammate. Like, I mean, nangyari na rin sa akin yung may mga teammates na nag-graduate from high school when I was in a high school team. So, parang, dun palang umiiyak na ako. So, it's like, it somehow brings me back to that. Kaya, it's also so hard. It's also so painful. Alam ko na mahirap yung top 3 songs mo. Ito na lang, top 3 favorite Netflix series. Wala na sa Netflix, but I really love Grey's Anatomy, Gilmore Girls, and Friends. Yun yung, as in, favorite series ko. Yun yung top 3 ko talaga. Pero, now, ano ba pinapanood ko sa Netflix? I don't really watch. Parang puro movies na lang ako sa Netflix eh. Disney Plus, yun nga, Grey's Anatomy. I watch Friends pa rin sa HBO. What's your comfort season? I don't have a comfort season because they all stressed me out, honestly. But I really enjoyed all of it. Gusto ko yung nasa stress ako eh. Nasa asa po ba si Colette sa Sunday? I'm not sure, guys. I don't really know. Magre-review na po ako pag pinansin niyo ako. Mag-review ka na. Huwag mo ako tularan. Sana may teleserye na ulit kayo. Guys, please, help me pray to the heavens above. Gusto ko ng umarte, promise. Sobra. Go, review Matcha Chi. Matcha Chi? Sana magdilang ang Helka for season 3 senior high. Sorry, ano po yung ibig sabihin ng magdilang anghel? What does that mean? Maganda pala sa this. Oh, this is Chavi, my little brother. Ano po yung magdilang... Ano yun? Magkatotoo ang sinasabi. Ah, yun pala. I learned something new. Magdilang anghel ka. Pinagtatawanan ako ng kapatid ko. Pangit ko magtagalog. Magdilang anghel. Sana nga. Pagdasal nyo guys. Season 3. And pagdasal nyo, Season 2 ng Time to Dance. How about sci-fi Hollywood series? Like what? Di ako masyadong ma-sci-fi kasi. If all about dance na series here in the Philippines, sino gusto mo? Na-cast? Oh, I love that question. Syempre AC, diba? That's one. Darren can dance. Ken San Jose. Why did I even think about that? Ken. Sino gusto ko makast? Ang dami. Ate Madge, Maha Salvador, Kuya Billy Crawford. Like, there's so many really good dancers. Kuya Arjo, mahusay pa na aktor, diba? Kenneth Martinez. Sabi ni Kuya Vince. Yung DCs ng Time to Dance, ikakast ko yan. Siyempre. Pag pinansin mo ako, sasali ako sa dance competition. Oh my gosh, hello J-Ann, sumali ka na dyan. I support 100%. Do it. Do you watch Straight Woman Fighter? Of course I watch Straight Woman Fighter. There's ano daw? Team Philippines in the next season. So I can't wait for that. Ang daming nagtatanong kung manunood ako ng SB19. Guys, kanina ko pa sinasabi. Hindi ko kayang traffic ng Philippine Arena. So, baka hindi. Pero let's see. You look like Emily. Sino yon? Guys, ang dami ko namang kamuka. Kanina may nagsabing may kamuka rin ako. Ang dami naman. Sino pa ba kamuka ako? Dali. May Kyle. Sino na susunod? Ira Casims for SWD. Ooh. Why not? Kamukha mo yung future girlfriend ko. Nako! Future girlfriend mo. Paano kung hindi paano ko ba sasabihin to? Paano kung may present na ako? Kamukha mo din yung anak ni Andy. Ellie? Ang dami nagsasabi nun. Kamukha mo si mama mo. Mama mo rin! Paano kung mag-end live ka na? Pinapaalis nyo na ako sa live ko. Kayo kaya umalis sa live ko. Diyos ko, Lord. Why are you making me leave? What did I do to you? Ikaw ang inspiration ko sa dancing, Ate Jella, kaya mas natuto akong sumayaw ngayon. Thank you. That is it's such an honor to hear that. Thank you. I appreciate that. Super. Just like continue to dance, please. Tita Olive here. Oh, hi, Tita! Hello! No, wag ka mag-end. O, diba? Awayan nyo yun. Sino nagsabi nun? Sabi, end ko na daw yung live. Away niyo ako. Pure Filipino ka ba? Pure heart. Pure yung heart ko. Pure bulldog. Half bulldog, half Poodle. Pwede ba yun? Joke lang. I'm half Spanish. You look like Ellie. Ang dami nga po nagsasabi nun. Collab with Maha Salvador. I really wanna do a collab with Ate Madge. I love her. I've always loved watching Ate Madge dance. And Ate Yasi, actually. Saan ka po ngayon, te? Sa bahay. Pag nakita kita sa personal, Ate Jella, maiiyak talaga ako. Duet tayo sa pagsasayaw. Let's go! Huwag kang umiyak kasi baka umiyak rin ako. Ano ba yan? Iyakin ako. Hi, Kel! I miss you! Member ka po ng Kaya. Ano yung Kaya? Sorry, ano po yung Kaya? Is that a girl group? Oh, hindi po. I am not a member of a girl group. How was your Valentine's Day? Where did you spend it? And what did you do? I had school. I had PE. That is what I did. I spent it with my teacher and my classmates. Jesus Christ. No, but I also went home to have dinner with my family. And galit. Yes, Ate Tess. Nagagalit ako kasi lintik na school yan. Valentine's Day, nagsaspike ako ng mga bola sa PE. Diyos ko, Lord. Sino ba matutuwa dun? Ba't hindi na po kayo nag-aarte? Kasi wala pang projects, like offers. So, yes. Pero sobrang gusto ko nang umarte. Ano ba yan? Okay lang, ate. Wala ka naman ata ka-date. Sure ka dyan? Nako. Sure ka sa sinasabi mo? Wala akong ka-date? Hindi nyo lang alam. Ay, yabang. Magyayabang ako. Masaya ako ngayon. Huwag ka na magalit sa PE. Spread love lang. Yee. Ayoko. Unang-una, wala akong kilala sa class ko. So, parang akong loser. Alam niyo yung mga nasa gilid na batang nakaganon lang. That was my Valentine's. Sino? Siyempre, hindi ko sasabihin. Astig ka dun, bro. Astig talaga ako. Di mo bagay na sa gilid lang. Promise, pa-demure ako sa... Kali! Kakagalit tong asong to. Pa-demure lang ako sa PE, guys. Actually, sa school. Yung sa Wish, ganda ng boses mo, girl. Saan? Saan? Kamukha mo yung ate at kuya mo. Kamukha ako yung ate ko. Wish ko lang? Ano yung wish ko? Alam ko yung wish ko lang, pero anong magandang boses? Date reveal. Paano ko ba? Ayokong i-reveal. Hindi pwede. Parehas kayo magaling umarte. Thank you so much. Really loving your mini vlogs and I hope you do more. I will try. I will try to do more. Clue. Ayoko ng clue. Naku, dali-dali hulaan nun. Ayoko. Blooming mo na, Jella. Ganyan pag masaya. 'Di ba? Sino mas kamukha mo? Si Boss Art or Tita Abiang? Kayo magsabi, sino mas kamukha ko? Lagi sinasabi si Daddy. Sana makasama ka sa Incognito. I would love to. It's such a good show actually. Sobrang intense. Manifesting magka-project ka this year. Please. I also need more money. Like, please. Blooming sa pag in love. Hi! Gihigugmata ka. Gihigugmata ka. Ano po dinner nyo? Ano po oras dinner nyo? 8 p.m. dinner ko. Pero, kapitbahay ko lang kaibigan ko, kaya huwag kayo mag-alala. Pumayat ka. Salamat po. Ikaw mentor doon. Saan? Mentor saan? You have YouTube po para may bago ako. Alam nyo, iniisip kong mag-YouTube actually. Kaso, hindi kasi ako matyaga sa pag-video. Like, I take one video, tas feeling ko ang dami ko nang tinake. Yun yung problema ko. So, parang, sige, I'll think about it. Mag-iisip ako ng content. Mag-iisip ako ng, like, vlogs. Kasi, syempre, ayoko naman mag-vlog ng school lang, 'di ba? Parang, boring. So, I will start vlogging siguro pag tapos na ako sa school, pag nakagraduate na ako, para mas may oras akong isipin yan. Kasi, as of now, wala akong oras isipin ng kahit na aside from what I'm doing. Day in the life. Everyday? Magda-day in the life ako na vlog? Kita nyo yung buong buhay ko. Sabi ko, uy, si Jella singer pala. Oh my God, hindi talaga ako yun. Kaya pala, sabi ko, maganda yung boses ko. Saan? Gawa ka DC sa TikTok. Alam nyo, ang tagal ko nang gustong gumawa. Ang tagal na rin akong sinasabihan na gumawa ng DC sa TikTok. Pero, ang hirap. Parang ang dami na kasing ginagawang sayaw here. Gagawin ko na lang yung kay Niana. Masaya na ako dun. I love your mini vlog tapos may mga nahuhulog na gamit. Bakit love mo yung may nahuhulog na gamit? Sobrang clumsy ko kasi. Hindi nyo lang alam, Diyos ko Lord. Ang galing mo nung sanayaw mo yung Get Low. Thank you. Taga-video mo si Love mo. Sinong Love? Aamin na ba ako? Kanino? Sa crush mo? Umamin ka. Ay, nako, guys, di nyo lang alam. I feel like if you really like a person, you gotta tell them. Kasi ako, di nyo lang alam. Yabang mo talaga. Mayabang ako kasi umamin ako. This is not you, Jella. Oh my gosh. What do you mean this is not me? This is me. It's me. Lakas mo pala. Hindi. Nung time lang na yun, may parang nagkaroon lang ng lakas ng loob kasi alam kong decente at mabait siyang tao. So, you look cool and swag sa TV, but here you look chick. I think kasi siguro yung mga outfits ko sa TV, maangas. Pero girly girl talaga ako. Girly girl! Hindi talaga ako girly girl. Ano inula mo nung nagkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob? Trauma at heartbreak siguro. Patambay po dito saglit. Dun kasi sa kabilang live may tomboy na kumakaldag, nakakatakot. Bakit? Bakit may ganun? Tumambay ka lang dito. Sige, dito lang ako. For you, I'll be your source of entertainment. Manood ka na lang ng TikTok videos kung ayaw mo manood ng live. Diyos ko, Lord, bakit may kumakaldag dyan? Bakit may... Guys, hindi ko kinaya. Wait. May schedule ka na, Ate Jella? Saan? Saan yung schedule ko? Kaka-text lang nung best friend ko, wala pa siya sa bahay niya. Ba't niyo ako minamadaling umalis, guys? Why was you crying in time to dance? Hi, Nigo. Because pinapili ako kung sinong tatanggalin. Tama ba yun? May nag-tie kasi, so I had to be the tiebreaker. Diyos ko, Lord. Concern lang. Okay, concern lang pala. Bakit ba ako, galit na galit? So passionate. Teka, hanapin ko, hindi ko kinaya yung comment na yun. Andito pa ba siya? Brands Keith. Are you still here? Ano yung utas? Sorry, ano yung ibig sabihin ng utas? Sino bang judges doon, Jella? Coach Vimy, my coach, and Ken San Jose. Tapos, we have guest judges. Yun yung third. May broadcast channel po ba kayo sa IG? Guys, gusto kong gumawa ng broadcast channel sa IG. Bumalik ako, ate, kumakaldag pa rin siya. Ba't ka kasi nanonood nun? Teka lang, hindi ko kaya. Ano ba yan? Ba't may kumakaldag? Teka. Jella, must have skincare routine mo. My skincare routine kasi is from my derma. Naririnig kita, Ria Ataide. Ang dami nga nagsasabi, magkaboses kami. Pero mas mababa boses ko kay ate. Marunong ka magbisaya, ate. Marunong ako magbisaya. Nang onte. Like, actually hindi. Nakakaintindi lang ako. Hi, Jella. Advice naman po. Want bumalik sa pagdadance. Love you. Love you too. Advice? Siguro... Ano bang advice? I think you baby steps siguro. Parang what really brings me back to dance is when I watch old videos of me dancing also. Tsaka yun, watch dance videos. And then aside from that, if you want to go back, don't be too hard on yourself. Parang take an easy class muna. Or, yun, yung alam mong kaya mo muna. Para hindi ka ma-frustrate agad. Huwag mo agad-agad i-challenge sarili mo because going back to it as a challenge in itself na. So, yun. 40 minutes na siya kumakaldag. Diyos ko, Lord. Baka naman mabuntis na yung hangin dyan. Mag-conduct kayo ng class ni AC sa Davao, please. I would love to. Pero, hindi rin kasi ako magaling magturo eh. Piercings reveal. Here. I have 7. Bye, Ate B. Bye. Why are you leaving? Don't leave! Story time sa present. Hi. Anong present? Anong present? How's life as a tita? Excuse me, I'm Ninang. Ang yabang, but I'm obsessed with Sabino, guys. I'm obsessed. As in, I visit him every week as much as possible. So, yeah. He's so cute! Tita, tita. Ay, nangaasar kayo. Nangaasar kayo. Where's your Lululemon hair tie? Dude, I am so triggered by that question. Where's your Lululemon hair tie? Guys, meron akong Lululemon na pantali sa wrist ko. Palagi. Never ko nawawala kasi Lululemon. Napakamahal, diba? Napakamahal. Pantali. Binili ko yun as a set. Though isa lang naman yun nasa wrist ko. Nagtanggal ako ng jacket. Tatanggal rin siya. Hindi ko napansin. Nawala na. Kaya hindi na ako nagsusuot ng hair tie na Lululemon. Mahal-mahal kasi. Ewan ko bakit rin binili ko yun. Kasi maganda yung pagtali nun. Di mo sinasabi kung sino ka-date mo pagkatapos ng PE mo. Bakit? Kailangan ko sabihin? Secret na yun. Malalaman nyo rin yan. Feeling ko. Ang dami kasing Mata? Kilala ba namin yan? Di ko sure. Namamansin ba ang isang Jella? Namamansin ba ang isang Jella? Namamansin ba? Hi from Mindanao here, Cagayan de Oro. Ooh, hello! Pag ito naman tutulog na ako. Aga mo naman matulog. Maaga ka ba tomorrow? Musta po buhay? Masaya! Minsan lang to, kaya magyayabang ako, guys. Pabayaan nyo na ako, minsan lang ako masaya. Waray-waray here. Oh! That's so cool. Nanonood ka anime? No, Wala ka po ba pasok bukas? Wala akong pasok bukas, pero may work ako tomorrow. I will be on Kapamilya chat tomorrow, Cap Chat. Live. I think that's live. Watch kayo bukas. Cap Chat. Kumain ka ng dinner, Ann. Nag-aano ka? Anong nag-aano ka? What does that mean? Hair color mo? So, yun na nga. There's no specific color, guys. Yung hair color ko, my hair was bleached and then it was toned. So, hindi talaga siya like color. Favorite TV series? Grey's Anatomy. Always Forever. And Friends. And Gilmore Girls. Ang dami. Favorite K-pop group? Well, I don't really listen to K-pop. Do you sing? Do you want me to sing? Sure ka dyan? I don't sing. It's gonna ruin my career. Nag-aano ka means anong ginagawa mo? Oh, okay. Hi, ano daw? It's Jella! Is it? Sure ka? Hi! Watching from Batangas. Saan? Where from Batangas? I'm always... Not always. Okay talaga yung always. Sorry, I was reading a message. Ka-hyper ni mo, Je. Ay! Tama ba? Ate JC? Is that you, Ate JC? Tama. Oh my God, nakakahiya. Ikaw ba yan? Baka maling JC naman. Diyos ko, Lord. San Jose, Batangas. Malayo ba yan sa Nasugbu? Kasi pumupunta ako sa Nasugbu. 7:20, I'm gonna end this live. Oh, malapit. Okay, cool. I really love your voice kahit po nagtutok ka lang. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's me. Oh, hi. Ikaw pala yan. Oh my goodness. Pero you won't love my voice when I start singing. Ano to, kuya? Akin? I got a package! From Beyond the Vines, guys. I'm so happy. Ang bilis! Dance ka na lang, Jella. Kaya nga, di ba? Kaya ako naging dancer, actually. Hindi talaga ako pwede kumanta, guys. How is Tita life? Again, it's not Tita. I'm Ninang. I'm obsessed with Sabino. I visit him every week, as in. Sample, ayoko sumayaw ngayon. Bahala kayo dyan. Kayo sumayaw. Birthday ko po sa Feb 28. Happy birthday, Maria Nicole Manda! I hope that masaya ka sa Feb 28 and every day of your life. God bless. Your hair looks good on you po. Thank you. Bigla akong na-hyper, guys. Ewan ko ba't ako ganito. Sana all napapansin. Nagpaparinig ka ba, Amber Glow? Hi, Amber Glow. Pinansun na kita. Okay na ba? I didn't see your other comments. Unbox your BTV now. No, I have to take a video of that. But I'm using my phone for this live. Video ko siya. Kailan pa rin mo ulit sa Nasugbu? Tagal naman. Kailan ako babalik sa Nasugbu? Next week! Secret na lang kailan. Diyos ko, Lord, baka sundan niyo ako. Feeler! Hello, Ate Jella. Kanina pa ako dito. Sorry! Hi, Regine! Velasquez? Nakakamiss rin si Sunny and Kenji ng senior high. Diba? Putek, miss ko na yun. Abangan pala. Baka mamaya may nakaabang sa akin sa Nasugbu. Welcome to Nasugbu. Are you going to visit us here in District 1? Yes, I will. Pag campaign season with Kuya Arjo, siguro. Are you still studying? Yes, I am. De La Salle University Communication Arts. Uy! Hi, Kuya Jed! I got a crown. That's so cute. Kuya Jed pala yun. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyper. Nakakahiya. Hi, Mengidu! Shout down. Ayan na ang tita jokes ni Jella. Nakakahiya, guys. Yung humor ko sobrang pangmatanda. Hindi talaga ako funny. Pumupunta ka po ba ng Rizal? You know what? Dati, lagi ako nasa may Rizal kasi nag-hike ako. Madalas, nung like 2022. Pero now, not so much. Shout out, Ate Jella, galit na ako. Aba? Ba't ka nagagalit? Sino yan? It's me, Z Pretty. Why you mad? Wish me luck sa prelims namin. Oh my goodness, good luck! What prelims? What is this? What competition? Dance? Ang daming nagtatanong kung kung manunood ako ng SB19. So, again, I love The Boys, I swear. Pero, hindi ko talaga kaya yung traffic ng Philippine Arena, guys. Hindi ko siya kaya. Promise. I'm a fan of your mom and yours too. Thank you! Thank you so much. Ano nyo si Kyle Echari? Bakit mo ako sinisigawan? All caps eh. Kyle is one of my really close friends. Why? He's like a brother. Isang good luck naman. Good luck, Regine. Para saan? Teka. Pwede po bang 13 sa bahay ni Kuya? What do you mean? 13 sa bahay. What do you mean? Highly suggest po, pa-short hair ka po. Gusto ko magpa-short hair, pero yung ganito lang. Parang hair. Iniisip ko yun, guys. Parang dito, ganyan. Bagay ba? Paano ba to? Pag short hair. Paano ba? Parang ganyan. Ganyan lang. Paano ba? Kailangan ko magpaalam sa nanay ko. Ayaw niyang nag-short hair ako. Ewan ko dun. Dati gusto niya short hair ako. Ngayon, ayaw niya. So ano ba talaga? Mag-good night ka, matutulog na ako. Good night, soloket. At bakit ka nagagalit? Ang daming demanding ngayon. I'm a big fan po. Grabe, galing niyo po sumayaw. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. 7:20 na. Okay. Thank you for telling me. I'm gonna go na, guys. I shall return. Return? I shall go. I'm gonna get ready to leave. I mean, get ready. Get ready muna. Matagal-tagal ako magre-ready. Malapit lang naman bahay ng kaibigan ko. May season 3 bang High Street? I-manifest natin yan sabay-sabay. Baka magkaroon kung i-manifest natin ang sabay-sabay. Naging fan mo po ako start ng senior high. Lalong nakita kita magsayaw. Grabe, napakagaling mo. Thank you so much. Sana mag-live ka ulit. I will go live again soon. I'll find time. Hi, Alexa. Alexa? Huwag ka na magpagupit. So, ano ba talaga? Ano gusto niyong gawin ko? Grabe yung pagpayat mo, sis. Thank you. Actually, kanina ko pa nakikita yung mga comments that I lost weight. Hindi ko lang pinapansin. But, thank you so much. Thank you. Hindi ko lang pinapansin kasi nahihiya ako. Ang dami pa. Kailangan ko pa pumayat. Pero, salamat. What did I do? I worked in school. Walang oras para kumain, yun ang problema. So yeah, don't follow me. Yun yung diet ko. Natuwa ako sa pasample ng sayo sa TV Patrol Anchors nung nag-guest ka. Diba? TV Patrol, tas sumasayaw. Nagpaka-formal pa ako. Pinsan niyo po ba si Bel Mariano? Yes, distant cousins. Live ka ulit. I will go live soon, guys. I just gotta go. Ang dami ko pang gagawin before I go to this dinner. Fave ko po yung episode niya ng mom niya sa Kuwan naman. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye, guys! Thanks for watching! Amping! Huwag ka na umalis. Kailangan ko po umalis. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks, guys. See you soon. I will try to go live soon again. But yeah. Bye!